Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here one anion which is 5-member ring and benzene and one 7-member ring is given which is tropylium cation. You have to arrange the molecule by proton NMR values of the hydrogens. Here the real problem is in the ring current. Here all three are aromatic and hydrogen in the desilting region. That is not a problem here because they are all 6-pi, planar, conjugated and aromatic. But these three compounds only differ in the charges. 5-member is the anion, 6-member benzene is neutral and 7-member is the cation. So cation obviously desilted because of its electron withdrawing tendency. Anion is always shielded because of electron donating tendency. So the anion will have low chemical shield when compared to cation. The middle one will be neutral benzene. So the molecules have different electron density, will have different chemical shield. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.